This is encoder. Our encoder is to be installed on this belt. It should be on top of this belt. It is on the same belt as the spray gun. Try to avoid installing this encoder in other places if the speed is out of sync. Its glue spraying accuracy will be reduced. The encoder should be installed on the same belt as much as possible. When installing this encoder, please pay attention to this wheel and belt need to be pressed tightly. The speed of this belt will be tracked through friction. If it is loose, the speed will be unstable. We then connect the other end to our controller. Encoders are special. The encoder points are on the top alone. We have installed this machine now. Encoder, output of electron gun, output of sensor, hose heating of hose, and heating of gun. This is the suction of the gun.
The end. Thanks.